This video guide is about getting rid of ransomware called Bhgr. This Bhgr is the ransomware that actually belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Bhgr extension to the file names. So it is not possible to use the files after the ransomware attack. Of course, before the ransomware attack, we don't have any troubles opening any file types. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all that can be opened easily without any complications. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. After restarting the computers, users suddenly realize that this Bhgr ransomware has affected and damaged the files, so it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware called Bhgr would encrypt files and then would damage them considerably. So whenever people try to open this specific file, they get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Bhgr additionally appended extension. The same applies to all other files. It's not possible to open them. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea, because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay it. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, then start the program and begin researching the computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on the Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of all the infections which were revealed. Of course, certain threats can be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you upgrade to Premium. This will help you to always keep your data protected. As for file decryption, please find a special article, a special link in the description to this video, which will lead you to the article explaining how to possibly recover your files.